So we are solving question from GATE Electrical 2019. From GATE 2019 electrical branch. So we have to find the current I in this circuit. So this is a 20 volt voltage source, this is 2 ohm resistance and current I is flowing through it. This is 2 ampere current source, this is 3 ohm resistance. This is 5I, so this is a current dependent voltage source. This is the current dependent voltage source because it is dependent on the current 5, it is dependent on this current I. So it is a current dependent voltage, so its value will be defined by this current I. So we have to find this value of this current I. So if this current I is flowing here in this direction, if this current 2 ampere is flowing in this direction, so the current through this resistor will be I plus 2. So this current will be I plus 2. So we can easily apply KVL. Now we do not know voltage of this 2 ampere current source, but we know voltage of this voltage source, we know voltage of this resistance, we know voltage across this resistance, and we know voltage of this current dependent voltage source. So we will apply KVL from this voltage source to this voltage source. So from minus 20 plus 2I, because this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative. So plus 2I plus I plus 2 into 3 plus 5I is equal to 0. So if you solve it, you get 20 minus 20 plus 2I plus 3I plus 6 plus 5I is equal to 0. So value of I will be equal to 14 upon 10, which is equal to 1.4 ampere. So a value of I is 1.4 ampere. So we have two current I. So we have already found the answer. Value of current I is 1.4 ampere. And value of this voltage source will be equal to 7 volt. Because it is dependent on this value of this current I. So its value is 1.4 ampere and its value of this voltage source will be 7 volt. So this was not asked in the question, but we can find the value of this voltage source also by multiplying 5 with I. So it is a current dependent voltage source. And the voltage of this 2 ampere current source is not given, so do not take it as 0. Do not take the voltage of this 2 ampere current source as 0 because its voltage is not given. And the voltage of a current source is never 0. Again I am repeating, voltage of a current source is not 0. So the voltage of this current source is not given, so we cannot take voltage of this current source. So we have to take KVL from this voltage source to this voltage source only. So this is how we can solve the this question. So it was very easy question. So if you have any doubt in any GATE previous year question, then you can ask me. You can comment in the comment box. You can leave any feedback also in the comment box. So my number is, I am giving my personal number 99289352246. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me on this number. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and best of luck for exams.